So this is the fourth video, and in this video we're going to go more in depth with CSS. So right now at the moment you should have a website that looks like this. By the end of this tutorial you should have a website that looks like this. Now it's not much better than what it was previously, but it's a basic understanding on how CSS works, so you should be able to integrate it in any way you would like. So first of all, we'll get our Windows set up, and here we are back at our HTML. Now first off, we're going to classify a few things. For example, the my blog about I've done something wrong here. 2 seconds. So yeah, you need to get up your index. Load that up. You'll see there's not actually a web URL. The thing is that you need to get your own web URL for it to work. So look at this, my blog about dogs. So we're going to go here and we're going to class it as title. We're going to go Control S. It won't do anything. We have to go to our main CSS, which you should have created, and we're going to go dot, which is a class by the name of head, and then we're going to do our curly brackets, and we're going to write padding, which is going to be around 5 pixels px, 5 px, and we're going to do the border, just plain old border, and we're going to do 1 pixel of a border, which is outlining the padding, which is the box we're going to create now. We're going to go solid, and we're going to do a red color for the background, for the border. Then we're going to go background color, let's say black, and color of the writing, which will be white. And we're going to write text decoration bold. And so what we should see here is nothing. Is that what happened? That's what happened. This is going to be head. What did I do wrong here now? Ah, yeah, sorry. So under title, we have to link it. Link our CSS file. So we go rel equals style sheet, type is a text CSS, and the href will be the name of it, which is main.css. Control S and reload. And there you go. Doesn't that look nice? So for now, that's fine with me. We can also do some border radius. Border radius, and we'll do a 5 px. I'm always happy with a 5 pixel radius, and you'll see what I mean by that. See these sharp edges? They're gone. So they look very nice. So this is a great method to make a button. So now we're going to do subhead. Don't forget about your dot. I'm going to do this, and just for speeding this whole process up, we're also going to do a dot subhead. So it's the subhead. Welcome to my blog. In fact, we don't even have a subhead. Subhead. You know what I mean. So the subhead is going to be roughly the same, so we're going to basically copy and paste this Control C, Control V. Control C is copy, Control V is paste. It's going to be a lot quicker to do that for you. What can we change for this? Well, I'll change the colors for you just so you can see what happens. I'm going to change the border to a black. I'm going to choose the background color to blue. I always like, no, actually no, it's not a great color. Bold, how about that? Yeah, Control S, reload. And we didn't classify it. Class subhead. Control S, reload, and there's a blue. Now if you want to choose your own personal colors, there's a great website that I use, www.colorpicker.com, and this is a great color. So you choose your color. Say I want to go for, actually that's a nice blue there, excuse me, love their color there. So we take this, copy, go to our main CSS, and for the background color we're going to do hashtag and paste that code in. Without the hashtag it won't know you're referring to a certain color. Control S, reload, and you've seen this color change. So, you know, it doesn't look that great at the moment. Let's take that break away. See how that looks. Control S. Yeah, it looks a bit more organized. Now we're going to change these bad boys, and we're just going to call them a text and we're just going to go background color white just for now. Font family, Arial, that's all really what I want to do. I want the header to be Arial because it just looks a lot better, and I also want the subheading to also be Arial. Control S, reload. And the reason why that happened is because we still haven't freaking classified it. So we go class, remember the space, that's always very important. It won't work unless it's class, or else it'll be seen as a tag instead of a, you know, a class. So text, gonna copy and paste this for the crack on this, and paste also on that. Control S, reload, and that classifies all that. Now what we're going to do is classify this as class equals bottom banner. Notice there's no space between bottom and banner. You can't have spaces because then it'll see it as a separate thing instead of a full tag name. Control S, dot bottom banner, and we'll go for background color of gray, and font family Arial. Control S, reload. There's that, and finally we're going to do a dot class pick, and we don't really need to do anything so far. We'll just edit this right in the moment. So we want a padding of 3 pixels. We want the background color to be black. We also want the border to be 1px pixels solid with a color of red. Control S, index HTML. So all our pictures was going to be a class of pick. Control S, steal these, copy, paste them on into each individual picture, and don't forget, see this image space class equals pick. One important thing is, notice I didn't put the class in the P. Now it works a lot better. Sometimes you'll get a bit of a issue with individual tags, so all you have to do is move them closer into a different tag, the class I'm talking about, or bring them back. Some tags it messes around with the CSS for some odd reason. Reload that, and there you have your border. So guys, you're starting to learn CSS, and it's looking a bit better. In the next video, we're going to create a basic menu bar. Bye. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and also go over to my webpage for more information to help you code. Thanks.